Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. I have a home decor haul to share with you today, and this haul is non-season specific. It's just items that I have been buying. Of course, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Also, please don't forget to like my video if you want to keep seeing more like this. Comment on it down below, and also share with family and friends. That really helps my channel to grow. I have a goal for my upcoming YouTube anniversary to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone who has already subscribed. Let's just go ahead and get into it. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with a heavy item. I hope that you can see it all on there well enough. I bought this from the 99-cent only store. It was $1.99, and I went ahead and bought, again, 2 of them. I love the color that it is. Of course, you can go ahead and paint it for $1.99. You really wouldn't be ruining anything. I don't know if this is concrete or resin. I just know that it's very, very heavy. Very excited to style these. From Hobby Lobby, I got this bamboo spoon set. It comes with 6 of them for $3.99. I went ahead and used my 40% off coupon to purchase these. I have a very specific use for these. As you can see, one of them is missing already from here. These are for fall. You can use them year-round, and these would look absolutely gorgeous in tier trays as well. After the haul, I am going to be showing you how I use some of these items, so make sure that you stay till the end. From Target, I got this set of napkin rings from Hearth and Hand. These were $9.99. It just comes with 4, and I thought that would be perfect because I can mix and match them with other ones that I have. And again, I think that these would be perfect for all different seasons, even Christmas. If you add something Christmassy to these, they can go ahead and work for that. Another heavy item that I got was this like medallion like sculpture. That's what I'm gonna call it. This was from Beal's Outlet, and originally it was $9.99. I got it for $7.49. As you can see, I think it fell on someone, and not on someone, somebody dropped it and it went ahead and broke, so that's why they had it marked down. I didn't mind it. I actually didn't even notice that until later as I was perusing through the store, but again, I don't mind it. It actually looks good from the front. Oh, this is heavy, and when it's on display it doesn't look bad. I usually have this bottom part covered anyways. From a local grocery store, I bought this really cute bottle opener. It's magnetic. We stick it to the side of the fridge and we use it to open up our soda pop bottles, and it's magnetic, so it catches this here, but it's also magnetic in the back, so I have it stuck to the side of the fridge. I wanted to show it in case somebody local does watch my channel. This was only $4, 3 something, so I thought the price was really good. Again, it's really sturdy and it's just adorable. From Michael's, before they had their sale, I went ahead and bought both of these little house vases. Sorry, this one. I hadn't even noticed that one has like a little imperfection. It's not a chip that happened because it's like, well, it is a chip, but it's still glossy like the rest of this. This one was $11.99, but they did have it for, I think, 50% off when I bought it, and the other one is $11.99. And these are, these are the only 2 styles they had. If they would have had another one, I most definitely would have bought it because I love little house decor like this, especially this one that has kind of different lines to it. Also, from Michael's, before they had their crazy sale, I went ahead and bought a lot of flowers. As you can see here, I went ahead and already made an arrangement, so I bought a big bundle of these white ones, another bundle of these pink ones. Let me see, these pink ones, like they're like pink anemones, and then these little orange ones like this one, a big bush of these green leaves. These I already had. These I hauled in my pre-summer haul, and then these little green thingies came with the orange ones. I went ahead and did this off of YouTube just a day that I wasn't feeling great. I decided to do a DIY just for me. So I went ahead and created this beautiful, this beautiful arrangement of colorful flowers. And then I also did 2 other arrangements with the rest of the flowers since they were big bundles. I'm going to go ahead and show you that as well at the end, and it's also going to be in the thumbnail since I really went ahead and loved how they, all 3 of them turned out. 'Cause it was 3, 2 large ones and then this tiny one for my coffee table. From Walmart, I bought this collection of canisters. I have the medium, this is the medium, and I bought the small, and then I also bought the sugar set of it and the salt and pepper shakers. I was not able to find the large one at any of my local stores anymore since they recently did go on sale. My store didn't even have an opportunity to put them on sale, so you may still be able to find them. I think they are available online, but you have to pick up in your store. So I'm okay that I didn't get the large one. I'm making it work with what I have. I went ahead and did some changes to my kitchen. If you remember, I did have different canisters and I'm switching over to these now. To go with that, I did get the bowl that is part of that collection, but I'm not using it as a bowl for food. I'm using it to go on top of a scale with some flowers, and then I'm going to continue using this more of a vase since it goes really well with the rest of the canisters that I purchased from Walmart. From Dollar Tree, I got this huge roll of burlap ribbon. It's actually labeled burlap garland. It is 5 inches tall, 10 yards long. This is usually at Walmart, so finding it for $1 was a steal. I went ahead and got this for future crafts. If you spot it, get it, because this isn't a usual Dollar Tree item. I also got some crafting supplies from Dollar Tree. I went ahead and got this 5-piece set of metal brushes. I absolutely love these because they have plastic bristles. As it says here, it's all-purpose Duro bristle, and yes, I love the type of bristles that these brushes have. These are perfect if you do projects with Mod Podge because they're really easy to wash off. Again, because you get 5 and you have to throw one out. It is more convenient. It's way better than the foam brushes. Also, I like to use these for small staining projects. These plastic bristles work really well for that. I also use it to clean off pieces of wood that I am sanding because these stiff bristles work really well with cleaning off any dust or any of the debris without getting stuck. If it still has like any splinter areas, anything else, it just gets stuck and makes a mess. Highly recommend this pack. I also got a pack of glass pearls. It has 135 in 4 different sizes. I got 2 of these wood hanging ornaments in the round shape. These are for, again, upcoming projects. I'm sorry if I already said that. I also got a felt roll. This has 48 inches long and it's almost a whole feet wide. I'm going to be using this for some Christmas in July projects that I'm doing here on my channel. Oh, another large item that I bought that I can't show you here because I can't carry it to fit the frame is I bought a third and a fourth chair for my dining room. I'm going to switch out my metal chairs and just have the upholstered chairs. I did get that from Ashley Furniture. I'm going to link to those exact chairs down below because I get a lot of questions anytime I post my dining table along with my chairs. The dining table is no longer available, unfortunately, but the chairs still are. So again, I'm going to link that down below. I'm going to show you a picture of the chairs that I got. Now let's go ahead and move to the decorating portion of this video. I'm going to show you how I use some of these items. The rest are just going to go into storage until the season or the time comes for me to use them. that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I hope that you like this format where I not only show you the items I bought, but I also show you how I am using them. As always, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Make sure that you follow along for my Christmas in July series. I am posting videos every Wednesday and Friday for that. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a like, comment down below which was your favorite item that I bought, share with family and friends. That really helps my channel to grow. Again, I'm trying to get to a goal of 10,000 before my YouTube anniversary. Thank you again for watching and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.